Welcome to this tutorial on managing users in the CardExchange Admin Center. We'll guide you through key functions related to user management, including how to view, add, edit, and delete users within the system. To access users, navigate to the Configuration tab in the CardExchange controller, which directs you to the Admin Center, where you can manage all your Cloud Suite products. In the CardExchange Admin Center, a user is anyone who has access to the system, whether they are an administrator, a back-end operator, or a potential credential holder. Users are assigned specific roles that define what they can see and do within the CardExchange Cloud Suite, allowing for tailored access based on individual responsibilities and needs. The Users section provides administrators with an overview of all system users, showing a list of confirmed users along with their assigned roles. From here, the main administrator can manage user accounts, adding new users, assigning roles, and editing or deactivating existing users. Users can be deactivated manually or automatically through business rules. Adding a new user in the Admin Center is straightforward. Click on the plus button in the top right corner of the Users section. A window will open on the right side where you can enter the user's details: email address, required for the user's account; mobile phone number, optional but useful for SMS notifications. Set the user to active. Ensure the user account is active. Select a role. Choose either a default role or a custom role from the drop-down menu. Assign start and end dates. Optionally, set specific dates for the account to be automatically activated or deactivated. Once you've entered all the necessary information, click Save. The user will then receive an email confirming their account. If you need to update or change information for an existing user, find the user in the list and click the pencil icon on the right side of their record. In the window that opens from the right, modify the user's details, such as their email address, mobile phone number, or assigned role. You can also update their account status and adjust the start and end dates as needed. After making the necessary edits, click Save to apply the changes. If a user no longer needs access to the system, you can delete their account by locating the user you wish to remove and clicking the red trash can icon on the right side of their record. A confirmation prompt will appear. Click Yes to proceed with deleting the user, or No to cancel and return to the user overview. Managing users in the CardExchange Admin Center is simple and efficient. Whether you're adding new users, updating existing accounts, or removing users, the Admin Center provides all the tools you need to keep your user base organized and secure. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.